my baby
Go
kitten.
to cashbackfast.com and get connected to a store near you. Sir, you too.
Bless you. Bless you.
Real cases, real people. Judge Judy. Christopher Beater, Alexander
What?
Tominski, and William Van Gorder
To kiss.
claim DJ Taylor Wharf ruined their party when he threw cat litter at their guests. Taylor is countersuing for an assault.
Clearly you owe money
Who's my
because
handsome
you late.
baby kitten?
You had no excuse for being late whatsoever. The fact that you didn't plan your time right and allocate time from a when you alleged to be a business meeting and you got stuck in traffic.